Hi there, I'm Josh from MotorRoof.com. Today I'm going to show you step by step on becoming a host and listing your space for free on MotorRoof.com. Let's jump right in. If you haven't already, head over to MotorRoof.com. Click the blue sign up button at the top right of the page to get started. Click agree to our terms and privacy policy and click create account. Nice, we're all set up. You can review some of the features here, but let's get to the main point. We want to create a garage. Since we're over here, let's update our profile picture. It's real easy. Click here and drag a photo into the circle. Having a clear profile photo to represent your business is highly recommended. There you go, beautiful. In the center of the page, you'll see an add your space button. Click here. This will take you to build your garage or space. You can choose between workshop and storage and select the availability days for your place. We don't like these days, or these days either. You can also set the access hours. You should be very specific here. This informs guests when they can access your place. You can also specify how they access, like by appointment or 24-hour access, for example. Okay, that looks about right. By appointment only, and let's save. All right, let's move on. This is your daily price and listing title. We're also going to put in some information about our space. I'm going to keep mine light because I really don't have very much information to put here. That looks right. Let's click next. Here we have some basic amenities. We're just going to click a few things that our garage has. Some Wi-Fi. Click next. Now this is a very important part. This is where you put your actual address in. We don't share this publicly anywhere, but when you approve somebody's booking or reservation to your space, you will send them this address. So you have to make sure this is correct. And our postal code. And then we're going to click next. And you're going to confirm your location here. Correct. Let's move on. This is another very important step. We're going to drag and drop some photos of our place to kind of show people what to expect when they visit our property. You can also select which one you want to be kind of your lead image to represent your place. Go ahead and click next, and then we have to verify our phone number. This is just for safety. You only have to do this once for creating a garage. So we're going to send this to my cell phone right now. Okay, just wait a couple seconds and you should get a text message. And I got my text message, so I'm going to input in my code and check it. Good to go. Okay, on to the last part of publishing. We just have to agree to the terms and click publish listing. Great, you're posted. But we still don't have a way to pay you for all the reservations you complete on MotorRoof. We're going to have to connect your payment information with Stripe. Stripe is the leading payment provider for basically the internet. From startups to world's largest companies, Stripe's used in Amazon, Google, Salesforce, Shopify, Microsoft, the list goes on. Here you can see kind of the basic setup. This will be different for every user, whether you're a company or an LLC. I'm going to say individual and continue. Stripe's going to make you have to do another phone verification. All these phone verifications only happen once, and it's to keep our platform safe. So they text me. I'm going to input the code now. Just wait a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to actually put in my real information. You can either add your company website, I copied my MotorRoof link that was generated, so I'm going to use that as my product and click next. You can choose between a bank account or your debit card, whichever is easiest for you. I'm just going to do my debit card. Click save and then review your information. If everything looks good, then click done. What Stripe's going to do now is redirect you to MotorRoof. Here we're going to sync your accounts together, and looks like it's finished. Great job. Now you're ready to accept payments for your listings. Every first of the month you will receive automatic direct deposits of your earnings. Let's check out our newly created property. Click Manage Properties in the center of the page. Welcome to your hosting hub. Everything that relates to managing your properties happens here. But for right now, let's go look at the property we just created. You can see at the top your images that you uploaded of your place, and on the right is a calendar where people can reserve. You might notice that the Rent Me button is grayed out and disabled. This is only because you cannot rent your own place. You'll also notice on the right side that there's the access hours that we set earlier and access rules, as well as a general location. If you click this top banner up here, you can go back and edit this space. But don't forget to click the save button at the top right corner when you're finished. You can edit anything from your photos, maybe we don't like this photo, or we can also go and change our availability, access hours, or even our location. Here you can also find a way to delete your property if it's no longer available for rent. Hit the top left X to close this edit menu when you're finished. On the right side of the page you'll find your host tool navigation. Click Payment Center. This is going to be your go-to place when you want to check your balance or any payouts that are about to happen related to your hosting business. Clicking back a few times will send you back to your hosting hub page. Nice job. You're all set. You have a functioning business now. I know that was a lot of information going by, and if you didn't catch all that, definitely check out our Hosting 101 page. There's a lot of great information there, and we hope to hear from you soon. Don't forget, you can always call us 24 hours, and there's also a live chat on our help section, so be sure to check that out, or if you just want to say hi, that's fine as well. We wish you good luck on this new adventure, and stay tuned for more helpful hints from our YouTube page and from our help section. Happy hosting!